So like we already mentioned, we have got coordinates from 3 different sources. From the ISRO imagery that we had requested from district administration, from the Navy using their sonars, and from the Army using their detecting devices. Everything pointed towards a single location. But after this team from Delhi, under General retired Major General Indra Balan, this team said that the logs that are attached to the vehicle has been removed and the vehicle became weightless and it has moved a little further. So they are working on that 3 points. They'll be sharing the 3 coordinates, exact coordinates to us shortly. And at one particular point, there is more signal that has been received. So at that particular point today, the naval team in the afternoon, using their devices, they checked the speed of the current flow. And as sir said, it was more than 5.5. It was close to 6 knots. And it is humanly impossible for the Navy to dive at that particular point and rescue, if at all they find a cabin, to rescue the person is humanly impossible. We are trying other resources as well. Like sir said, we are trying to bring a platform that will float on the river, and with that anchor we will try to dive. We'll put an anchor on that platform and then we'll try to dive so that the person who's diving is also safe. That is something we'll be trying today or by tomorrow afternoon. If there is any progress, we'll let you know.
Exactly what sort of work you plan to conduct that?
Now the team has to give us the exact locations of the point where the truck is. They have told us informally that it is at around this point, but they'll have to give us the exact coordinates. That is first thing. Second thing, we will wait for the current of water to come down. But additionally, we are also trying to take a little bit of chance and to anchor using this technology that sir had mentioned. We will try to anchor and allow the divers to go in so that at least the security of life is there for the divers. That is something we'll be trying, and if any progress is there, we'll let you know.
Have you received any signal of human presence?
No, they had tried it out. They could not get any thermal signals. Even yesterday, as you saw, it was raining heavily. They could not conduct any operations in the night. So today morning, they have tried and they have given us a negative.
Madam, other alternative is dredging, and what are the headings?
Dredging, we had got 2 dredgers, but as you all know, 150 meters, it's so far away from the shore. So dredging is again an impossible task. To do so much dredging and picking the sand out is an impossible task.
Satish, you know the locale quite well, and do you think the current may reduce the coming days? Do you have any idea?
Can you repeat?
Current of the river.
Yeah, because of sea.
You know the locale, that's why I'm asking that question.
No, low tide and high tide is there. Every day, 2 times high tide will be there, 2 times low tide will be 6 hours each. Now, low tide, the water is fast. High tide is water is slow. We are waiting 1 or 2 days. Suppose if it is 3.5, definitely we will do that. Before that, we will try through the pontoon. We'll make the pipe inside, and with the help of the pipe, he will go and diving person will go and check. That we will do. Now, Indra Balan the team told that at least it should be like tilted. That position also will get. If it is tilted, then it is easy to find out also.